Trinamool Congress versus the BJP after some time on this subject. Sambit Patra of the BJP. My first question is to Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar, Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha of the Trinamool Congress. Ms. Dastidar, what happened? We saw you running out. I'll play those pictures once again of you running out along with a few other Trinamool Congress MPs very, very excitedly from gate number 1 of Parliament. Some people thought there had been some bigger kind of an attack inside Parliament. Just, we saw you all scurrying down. Some people were even jumping over the barricades. What exactly was going on that prompted you to respond like that?
I think this is a major attack. You are quite correct, Arnab. I think it was definitely a major attack on democracy today. It is absolutely shameful and unthinkable that elected members of the Parliament inside the House could be attacked like this. And had we not left the place in such a hurry, then maybe I don't know what would have happened.
What do you mean attack? Attacked with what? Attacked by whom?
Attacked, you see, honorable members of Parliament from the ruling party. They came and attacked us, the opposition, the Trinamool Congress MPs who were peacefully protesting against the deprivation of Bengal, deprivation of the people of Bengal.
No, what do you mean attack?
Budget.
Please describe attack, because we only saw pictures of all of you coming out.
An attack.
Tell me what exactly happened.
I'm telling you, you're not letting me. You see, we were very peacefully raising slogans inside the Lok Sabha against the anti-people rail budget and deprivation of Bengal, when suddenly we found few honorable members of the ruling party, that is BJP, about 7 to 10 of them, they came rushing towards us. They badmouthed our Chief Minister, Leader Mamata Banerjee, and we just had to turn back to find out the source of the noise. When they said they were going to derobe and beat us up, the women were standing on one side, and this is the side that a few honorable members from BJP rushed towards us. And when a young male member of our side came forward to protest, he was pushed out.
Who is that?
So we didn't have any other option than to run out of the house. And today I'm thinking whether it will be safe for me to go back to the Lok Sabha tomorrow. This is a very, very dangerous situation.
And you are saying,
and I don't know.
You are saying all this did happen. There's not 1% here or there which you've added to the incident. All of this happened, but you haven't taken any names.
For the footage?
Sambit Patra.
Why don't you ask for the footage?
No, Sambit Patra, the accusation is your members of Parliament, were A, drunk, B, after being drunk, they hurled abuses, they broke into a scuffle, they threatened to thrash them, the abused women MPs, and threatened to even disrobe them, lift their clothes and beat them. I mean, is this what it has now come down to? And can you just dismiss this as an incident which never happened? You have 282 members. You have 282 members in that house, right? The Parliamentary Affairs Minister is part of the BJP. He is in charge of floor management.
Let me complete.
Far from maintaining decorum, if your MPs are behaving like gundas, then it is your responsibility not to be defensive about them. All day, all we have seen is the BJP defensive and never admit once that this incident could have happened.
Can I answer the question that you have put in front of me?
So you understand that don't try to dismiss it alone. Don't dismiss it.
Not at all. On your channel, I was watching a few minutes ago the bite that was given by Ms. Dastidar.
Yeah.
And the bite categorically says, Ms. Dastidar in the bite says that there was no scuffle, no one attacked us. And ironically, 2 minutes after that, now you say that someone has attacked Ms. Dastidar, someone had attacked the TMC. I believe the bite has been played by times now, umpteen number of times, for the people of this country to realize that there were no scuffle over there in the Parliament. Secondly,
there are enough Trinamool Congress members of Parliament who also talk about that, and I think you are going by semantics. I think you are going by semantics. You are going by words and not what happened.
Look at the history of Trinamool Congress. Look
Am
at
I talking about the history of
Bharatiya Janata
Trinamool
Party.
Congress?
Though there is no history of Bharatiya Janata
No,
Party.
am I talking about the
we should be
history of the
ashamed
Trinamool Congress?
Ironically, Trinamool Congress had umpteen number of such history. In the recent past, we had seen how Tapas Pal, one of their member of parliaments, has behaved. He has called of raping people. He has called of bumping bullets into the heads of opposition leader. He has
This
called
is
of butchering
absolutely
people.
uncalled
That
for.
is a custom
They are
in, I
trying
believe,
to cover
Trinamool
up
Congress.
today's
They
incident.
Sambit Patra, I would request you to confine yourself to today's incident. And if you have no answer to today's incident,
Yes, that's what
1
I'm
minute, then
doing.
all you need to
No,
do,
I have
you can
answer,
say
I
sorry.
have answer.
You can say
No,
sorry to
I
Ms.
have
Dastidar.
No, why should I say sorry?
And we move
They
on.
should say sorry for this attention-seeking behavior. What I want to ask Ms. Dastidar today is, a few minutes ago, Ms. Dastidar on all the channels, particularly Times Now, she was saying there was no scuffle, there was no attack on us. What made her change the mind within 2 minutes that she now says on the Times Now channel that there was attack on her, there was a scuffle? I believe this is a classic case of attention-seeking behavior. And ironically, Arnab, remember one thing. People and organizations are judged by their previous behavior, by the history. And the history of Trinamool Congress speaks a lot. We had a member of parliament. Why one? Almost all the member of parliaments of Trinamool Congress have spoken of butchering people, raping people, killing people. And I believe, BJP never has a history which would shame us. So I believe, Ms. Dastidar, please stick to the point that you had nothing to disrupt the rail budget on, and that is why you felt that this kind of attention-seeking
It is my
behavior is
prerogative.
essential on your part.
It is absolutely my democratic right to be inside the house and oppose what I don't like, what I think anti-people, what I think anti-Bengal.
Exactly,
It is absolutely
Ms.
my right.
Dastidar.
And
No
we were
one is
only
challenging
raising
that.
slogans.
No, it is your right.
We were
So
only
is the right
raising
of the other
slogans.
political
We
members
were
also
only
to
raising
raise
slogans.
But
And
your
I am
right
sorry,
is not to
the
speak
honourable
false.
members
No one has
of
given you a right
BJP
to lie
had
on the television
really
channels.
put us
You are
into
lying
shame.
outrightly, ma'am.
Sambit
Ma'am,
Patra,
you are outrightly
Sambit
lying.
Patra, I want to ask you.
Someone attacked
Sambit
me.
Patra, I want to ask you.
Yes, ask.
I want to ask you, which part of the house were you in when this incident happened? Because Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar has alleged that the incident happened near the Treasury bench. Since you are appearing so sure that your members of parliament did not try to beat up, physically intimidate, threaten and force out of the house the Trinamool Congress members, I must ask you, were you in that area? Were you in that area in proximity? No, 1 minute. In
Can I
proximity
answer
enough.
this?
Hear me out.
Can I answer
Hear me
this?
out. In
Yes.
proximity enough
Yes,
to be
yes,
confident. To be confident of calling Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar a liar. Since you are calling Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar a liar, I am asking you tonight.
I am calling
I am
TMC
asking
a
you
liar.
tonight to prove.
I am calling TMC
On what
a liar
basis?
over here. I am calling TMC a liar. And secondly and most importantly, if I
How
was
can you
not
do that?
present,
It
so
means
was
the
Arnab
same
not
thing.
present in
1 second, Kakoli Ghosh
Secondly and
Dastidar.
most important,
Kakoli Ghosh
remember-
Dastidar.
No.
This is
I
getting
am
worse.
answering
The
my
BJP
question.
calls you a liar on your face. The
No.
BJP says your party is a party of liars. They said this is a staged encounter. You have done it because Mamta Banerjee, because you had no issue on the railway budget. Let her speak for herself.
Investigation has been ordered. Shouldn't you wait for an investigation?
Well, if there is no incident, why is there an inquiry?
Saying that you were attacked. There has not. The
You see,
inquiry
this
has been
gentleman
ordered,
here-
and I believe the Trinamool Congress should
He
have
Mr.
doesn't have
Patra,
the
let Kakoli Ghosh
here.
Dastidar
for the
respond to you.
inquiry report before saying
Sambit,
that we were
hold
attacked,
yourself back.
because she herself a while ago was saying that she was not attacked. How can a single person have two views? She was on your channel saying that she was not attacked. Review your channel's bite and show it to the people. She's herself
Ms.
saying she's not
Dastidar,
attacked.
have you made
How can
this
she have
up?
two views?
Ms. Dastidar, have you made all this up? Because Mamta Banerjee has told you to make all
You
this
see,
up.
it just goes to
And I
prove.
think you need to.
I am
Yeah.
so sorry.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Not for myself, not for my party. I'm sorry for the nation. I'm sorry for the people of this country. Because one honorable minister
Please,
of
ma'am,
the
feel
ruling
sorry for
front
Bengal.
today, he
Please
stood up in the
feel sorry
house
for Bengal.
and he
Bengal
said, we
is
have come
burning
with a
because of the
mandate.
Trinamool
The
Congress.
people
Sambit,
have
hold
come with
yourself
the
back.
mandate to
You have
attack
tapan
other
ka-
members. He's shouting. When he talks, I'm listening. When I talk, he shouts. So the country can see who they have elected here. If after 1 month of being elected, they can accost us like this, then what is going to happen down the line? The nation can think twice.
Only
and if he has
suggestion
the
to
guts
you,
to
ma'am,
say this,
respected ma'am,
I
only
ask him to
suggestion to
recall
you is
the Lok
Trinamool
Sabha TV
Congress should
footage
not
Listen to
lie
her.
on
between 3
national
p.m. and 4
television.
p.m. today.
That is it. The TMC should not lie on national television. Please, this is a humble request. Because, ma'am, you yourself made a statement a
I
while
don't know how you
ago that
become
you
so
or
humble
any
now.
one of the lady
Inside
members
the
was
house,
not attacked.
your members were not so humble.
BJP is
Inside
always
the
humble.
house, they
BJP
came,
was always
he
humble.
also
Ironically,
the
ma'am,
honorable
TMC
member,
should not
Patra.
try
the
teaching
honorable
courtesy
member
Sambit Patra.
was all
The
out
world
to
has
beat
seen
us
what
up.
TMC is all
The
about.
honorable
We had
member
seen
was all
Pakistan
out
a
to
few days
destroy
ago.
Sambit,
us.
hold it.
Let's see
Sambit,
Patra
hold it.
MPs.
Sambit
Please,
Patra, hold it for a
TMC should
moment.
not do-
Now I will ask. Now, Miss Dastidar, you realize this. And let's run with those pictures full frame. I just want to say something to our viewers. When an incident like this happens, it is not something which we can just, imagine really never happened. If this incident happened that led to members of a political party having to physically flee parliament in the way that they were doing, and if this was because they were being thrashed inside parliament by BJP leaders, like they claim, which is why they carried out such gymnastics, then I must ask Ms. Dastidar. Ms. Dastidar, who is the drunk BJP MP you are talking about? Who is the drunk BJP MP you are talking about who threatened to beat you among other women you were protesting with?
Not one, not one, not one. There were 6, 7 of them. I hardly know their names because they are all new. And I have been in the 15th Lok Sabha and I've been in politics for 37 years now.
No,
I am so sorry about the state of affairs.
No, there are 6 or 7 BJP MPs. 1 minute, just a minute. Now, Sambit, I'm asking her a couple of questions. Let me please. The serious incident, let's deal with it with the seriousness which it deserves. My second question is, you are saying there were 6 or 7 BJP MPs who were trying to attack you. On what basis do you say? No, on what basis have you said that they were drunk? Because this is an even more serious charge.
No, I didn't. I haven't mentioned. What I said
Your
was
party leader
that
Kalyan
they were
Banerjee
in
says the BJP leaders were drunk. There was a BJP MP who was
You talked
drunk.
to him about that? You talked to him about that?
No, so
I have told you what I have seen.
No, so one
I
second.
have told you what I have seen.
Can you name who the MPs are? Why haven't you gone on record
No, I
against
don't
even
know them.
one of those MPs? You have had time to establish the
don't-
identities of those MPs. Can you confirm who they were?
I don't know their names. We have seen them for the first time, and when they have come in a big number, and they are sitting on the side of the ruling party.
So what you're
and we
saying
were
is
standing in front of the honorable speaker, and suddenly they come running.
But even if I want to believe you, I must ask you that in the absence of any real names, any real identities, the accusation against you is that you are deliberately trying to disrupt proceedings because your demands in the railway budget were not met. You are trying to create
The
a
house was
spectacle.
already adjourned. When we came out, when we ran out, the house had already been adjourned. Let me be very specific. We were raising slogans.
You disrupted
which is the right
proceedings
of a
in the
political
house which
person.
led to the house being adjourned.
Because it is an anti-people, anti-Bengal rail budget.
Yeah, so talk
with a
about
lot
the
of
budget.
burden on
Why
the
do this?
common
No,
man.
1 minute. So talk about the budget. Why create this situation where 6 anonymous members of
Raising
parliament
slogans is
are
not
trying to
creating
beat
any
you up?
situation.
And tell me one more thing. Tell me one more. There are a lot of people inside parliament. How is it that only Trinamool Congress leaders saw this entire incident happen? Not one person comes and says, we saw
Arnab,
BJP
why don't
MPs
you let
beating
me
up
talk?
Trinamool MPs.
You let me talk. See, if their
No, you
party
explain to me.
is trying to hide something, if their party is trying to hide something, I am not to blame. Why don't you recall the Lok Sabha proceedings between 3 and 4 p.m. today? Because it must have been recorded unless somebody has removed it. And we were standing on the right side of the
But
honorable
where is the
speaker.
beating up? No, where is the beating up happening? Where is the
I
drunk
didn't
MP?
say. I said they came to beat. They
What do you mean
said
came
"Kapra
to
utar
beat?
ke
Now you are
peete
again
ki."
changing your position. You said came to beat. Some time back, the hysterical situation.
They came towards us.
And
When
you
they
got
came towards us, we ran out.
what's it? They came.
How can you stand
one second,
there to be
Miss
beaten?
Dastidar, what do you say?
How can you?
Miss
And
Dastidar,
inside the
Miss
house.
Dastidar.
Arnab, let me tell you
now
one
let me
thing.
ask you.
Inside the house, inside
Inside
the
the
citadel
house,
of
yes.
democracy,
Yes.
there is no chance. There is absolutely no
1 minute.
of somebody raising
Miss
the fist
Dastidar,
to beat,
Miss Dastidar,
and he cannot say,
Miss Dastidar,
"Kapra utar ke pitenge."
Chappal-
You should be ashamed that you are even taking their side.
Who said-
And I'm going to leave your channel just now because you think I'm going to stand there to be beaten and to be disrobed.
1 minute.
If somebody comes towards me saying,
Who-
"Kapra
name
utar
the
ke
person.
pitenge,"
Who said
then
this?
you think this is an acceptable situation.
Who is the person
you
who
think
said
that
it?
Today is a black day for democracy.
Who is the person
Today
who
is
said
a black
it?
day for the women of India.
Yeah, but who said
Today
it?
you should condemn it instead of
God.
tying up with
Miss-
them. Why are you saying
Miss-
that
Miss
I will
Dastidar,
stand there for him to disrobe
Miss
me?
Dastidar, please understand this. Question is very simple. I am only asking you, who is the MP? Who is the MP who said it?
I don't know. I can show you. He was sitting in the front bench. He was wearing a green kurta. He had on a ochre color vest coat. He's
And-
quite old with disheveled hair, red eyes, bulging eyes. He came with both his fists. He had on glasses also. With him there was another tall gentleman with green kurta. I don't know any of their names. There was one other gentleman who was rolling up his sleeves. They were coming with closed fists. You think I'm going to stand there for them to disrobe? All the women MPs, we were standing together. Not only me, Shatabdi was there, Afrin was there, Shonda Rai was there. We were all standing
but tell
together.
me one thing.
They're coming towards us.
No, they
Why
wanted
don't
to
you
beat
think
up
this is a
only
very
the Trinamool
precarious
MPs.
Condition?
They wanted
this
to
is
beat
a
up-
shameful condition.
They
you
want-
should condemn it.
1 second,
On
Miss-
one voice. You should condemn it.
Miss Dastidar, please understand this. You have spoken about feeling
What
insecure as a
orchestrated
woman
drama
inside
we
the
are seeing?
parliament. I am not sure if your party takes a hard line against men who belittle and threaten women. What did your party do against Tapas Pal? Because he apologized. My question to you
No,
is
you are bringing
my question to
yesterday-
you
you are
is
bringing
today.
yesterday's
My
topic.
question to you is today.
You are
Will you
bringing
be all right
yesterday's
with the
topic.
situation if the
you
BJP
condemn-
apologizes,
if
he
you
remains an
condemn
MP and
yesterday's
wasn't in
incident,
parliament
you
despite
should
the appalling
condemn
comments he
today.
made?
They apologize
no.
when BJP has done nothing.
If you condemn
Why should we
yesterday's
apologize?
incident,
Why should
as
we
you've been doing,
apologize?
you should condemn today. Just because somebody else did it, I'm going
Miss
to do it.
Dastidar,
This is not the right
completely
attitude.
condemn. I completely listen to me. I completely condemn
I
if
am
anybody
scared
has
and
used this
skeptic
language or
about
spoken
tomorrow,
like this.
about the women
I completely
on the road.
condemn the language which has been used, but I have every right to ask you that why, you know, I understand your anger on this incident, but there was no anger on Tapas Pal. At that time, Mamata Banerjee said, what do you want us to do? You want us to kill him?
Don't you think
Second
think
point.
inside the house a member who has been elected by the people have a right to express their view democratically by just talking or raising slogans? We have our right. Our priority lies with the people. Our
Ma'am, let me
responsibility
tell
is
you-
the people who elected.
Ma'am, let me
That
tell
is what
you-
we were doing.
Ma'am, let
but
me-
don't
ma'am,
you
ma'am,
condemn that? Have it closed fists, they are coming to beat.
Yes, I
and in
condemn
their
it.
mouth, I
condemn it. I condemn it. I condemn it as much as I condemn
they
it.
Should say sorry.
I condemn it. Listen, Miss Dastidar.
They can say sorry.
Miss Dastidar, I condemn it as much as I condemn the way in which the Trinamool MLAs and leaders beat up CPIM MLA Gaurango Chattopadhyay, injured in the assembly and taken to hospital in the end of 2012. Right? I condemn the way in which your party at that point of time beat up an MLA and sent him to hospital. I condemn it as much as I condemn, and I condemn, if not more, the Tapas Pal incident. But I am asking you today, it appeared to me...
This is the citadel of democracy.
Miss...
And अच्छा दिन आएगा तो अच्छा दिन आया लेकिन औरत को रुलाया अच्छा दिन आया गरीब को रुलाया एक रेल बजट ऐसा पेश किया कि गरीब को अभी रेल के लिए देखना भी नहीं चाहिए इतना किराया भी बढ़ा दिया and they have not one mention about our eastern states पूरे तरह देखा ही नहीं ये कैसा रेल बजट हुआ आप रेल बजट के बारे में बोलिए हम लोग तो रेल बजट के बारे में बोल रहे थे
Doesn't she have a belief in the Speaker of the House? Doesn't she have a faith on the Speaker of the House? Where an inquiry is going on, she's
No.
orchestrating
I am
drama
really
just
thinking
to
whether
oppose.
I should go
There's
back
nothing
tomorrow.
to oppose the budget session. There's nothing. No, not at all. The Trinamool Congress should stop preaching the people of this country. People know what Trinamool Congress is all about. This is classically an attention-seeking behavior.
People
And
know
ma'am, with
of
all
West
due respect,
Bengal,
you are a lady.
that is why they had
please
elected
don't do
34
this
members.
to the nation.
People know.
it. You don't even know the name of the people
बंगाल के
who
लोग
are
जानते
harassing,
हैं,
trying to.
इसीलिए 34 ऑनरेबल
No,
मेंबर्स को इलेक्ट करके भेजा है.
People of the world know what TMC is all about. We all know about TMC.
जानेंगे, आपको भी जानेंगे. आज तो हमें पता चला. आज तो हमें पता चला.
We all are. We know it. Please, for God's sake,
15वीं
don't
लोकसभा में भी
preach the
थी.
world as to what
15वीं
we are.
लोकसभा में भी थे. लेकिन कभी ऐसा हालत नहीं हुआ कि हमको मारने काटने दौड़ा.
काकोली जी,
ये पहले दफे हुआ है.
काकोली जी,
टुडे शुड बी कंडेम्ड.
Kakoli ji, my only question is, why did you change your stand within few hours? You yourself on Times Now said no one attacked, no scuffle went place, and now you are saying that someone attacked you. Why did you change your stand within 2 hours?
आप कहानी मत बनाइए.
नहीं, you are the story maker.
No, 1 second. No, 1 minute. No, one minute. I'm going to now play out this part. No, Kakoli Ghosh Dasti, you said there was no scuffle, there is no beating up. You said there's absolutely nothing.
मैंने बोला कि ये they didn't close fist, they came towards me. Now what are you waiting for? Somebody to disrobe me inside the parliament? This is exactly what I said. We were
But look
raising
at the way
slogans.
your member of parliament is running out.
You check my,
Kakoli
you
ji,
check
look
my,
at
you
the way
check
your
my
member of
bike.
parliament
You
are
please check
jumping.
my bike.
They are
You
jumping
please
as if
check
someone
my
is
bike
behind
at
them
4
with a
o'clock
bullet.
outside the house. The same thing has been said that 7-8 people from the treasury bench came towards us with closed fists. गाली दिया, बुरा भला कहा, कपड़ा उतारने का कहा, गंदा बात कहा. I told the same thing at 4:30. I am saying the same thing now at 8:30. I will say same thing as long as I'm alive. Don't please mistake me with other people. ये बहुत गलत बात है. This is very wrong. You're putting words in my mouth. Don't do it. और ये this is our democratic. This is our democratic Mandir Masjid Girja सब कुछ. Our parliament is a heaven and it should not be spoiled by some gundas who have come in and they are trying to accost women members. I have behaved properly. I have said honorable members from the treasury bench. I did not badmouth them. But वैसे ही चले आते जब हम नारा लगा रहे. Honorable Speaker is there to take care. Honorable Minister of Parliamentary Affairs is there to take care. Honorable, the other marshals are there to take care. इनको कौन जिम्मेदारी दिया? ये फिस्ट पकड़ के और स्लीव उठा के हमको मारने और काटने दौड़ता है. They should be arrested. The party should be ashamed of them. Instead of getting into the
Kakoli ji,
tell me, you are trying to divert.
Kakoli ji, just tell
I
me
am
one
ashamed
thing.
that
With
you
all
are
the
trying to
security in
divert.
place,
Well, you know, don't teach me. Sambit,
jumping over the security guards. Why are they jumping over the security guards?
Sambit Patra, don't teach parliamentary propriety. Don't teach parliamentary propriety because I remember BJP MPs,
Congress member of parliament
BJP MPs including
you are saying it is right.
BJP MPs including Fagan Singh Kulaste waved bundles of cash in parliament after the trust vote in 2008 over the nuclear deal. And you want to lecture me about parliamentary impropriety?
It was fought in the court.
Can you deny that these words were exchanged? Can you deny these words were exchanged?
But I was only saying that falsity should not be propagated by the Trinamool Congress. That is all.
Yeah,
that is
but
the crux of the statement.
You know, even you. No, 1 second. Now, Sambit, I'll tell you. When a debate about this took place in Parliament, I go back to those pictures by wrap up. Prakash Javadekar is INB minister. He stands up.
You told me I should discuss only the
Prakash Javadekar gets up and he asks, let's run those pictures. He asks who is responsible for disrupting the house in the first place, hinting at the TMC. He does not answer if there was scuffle or abuses heard, but he is quick to pin the blame on the TMC for the disruption. As I wrap up today, I ask the BJP, can the BJP deny there was a scuffle? Can the BJP deny there were BJP MPs allegedly in that scuffle? Can the BJP deny that there were hot words exchanged?
That there was no scuffle.
Well, the BJP MP has accused the TMC of calling Modi a thief. Was that the provocation for your party MPs to get involved in this kind of a situation? You have called the UPA government a corrupt government in the history of the past. Did that ever result in a physical scuffle between you and the members of the UPA, including the Congress? And if it did not happen then let me tell you now, Sambit Patra, you have a responsibility for the House. You have 282 MPs.
No.
And what happened today, therefore, is unacceptable. We'll follow this up and let the speaker not pretend it didn't happen. Thank you very much for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight.